social media management software help you and how to avoid some common pitfalls. In this video, I will cover 4 points. What is and why you need social media management software, some examples of this type of software for small business, including a free-to-use option, examples of how to use it for your business, and how to avoid some common pitfalls. Let's start with point number 1. Social media management software are tools and systems that allow you to schedule posts on your favorite social media sites and analyze the results, how many people like it, how many people engage with your posts. So they are really a great way to be strategical in the way that you are out there in your social media platforms and allow you to be more consistent also. So they can be very important for your business. My favorites are Buffer, QSchedule, Meet Edgar, and Hootsuite. And I will put links below this video that connect to these different social media management softwares. The one that I recommend to most of my clients because they have a great free option is Buffer. Buffer free plan allows you to connect up to 3 social accounts, and I recommend that you do Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, or Instagram. And you can schedule per social account in advance 10 different posts. That can allow you even to do 1 month of strategical planning for your small business. Here is an example. I have scheduled several quotes with an image for my Facebook, LinkedIn, and Instagram account, and for Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and I can do, if I have 10, I can do about for 1 month of content this way. You will find in the tech tip for coaches more resources on how to set the Buffer account, how to install Instagram. That is a little bit tricky, but afterwards works like a charm, and how to do the scheduling. The most common pitfall you should avoid is over-rely on the scheduling. It's great to schedule, to have that strategy and planning, but then you have to check who interact with your posting, who like, who comment, and engage them. There is where you are going to get results of your social media presence. And if you are a member of Tech Tips for Coaches, you have detailed tutorials with step-by-step instructions and screenshots on how to do this, and many, many other resources there. Learn, impact, and enjoy. This is Anna Malikian, the founder of techtipforcoaches.com.